Brick Time Builders. Today, we'll be building set number 21052, the city of Dubai. It says here it's for 16 plus with 740 pieces. Challenge accepted. Now let's get building. We're having a brick time,
a brick time build.
Dubai's reputation for architecture is viewed as having some of the boldest designs in the world. The iconic Jumeirah Emirates Towers. The Dubai frame stands 492 feet high and 305 feet wide. The Burj Al Arab Jumeirah Hotel is built on a triangular man-made island. It even has an underwater aquarium restaurant that can only be reached by a submarine journey. At the time of its completion in 2010, the Burj Khalifa was the tallest building in the world at 2,716.5 feet tall. It is described to be a vertical city. The Dubai Fountain is the largest choreographed fountain experience. Do you have a favorite architecture set you would like to see? Let me know in the comments below for a future video. You're still here? What are you waiting for? Check out this next video here. I'll see you there. Have a brick time building!